So first, let me show you guys the video capture device setting right here. Okay, let's go to setting. So you guys can see the device name, HDMI capture, and make sure you uncheck use preset, because by default resolution shows here 720, but currently I have the camera set to 1080p 30, so I want to make sure the resolution is here 1080p 30 also, and the FPS is 30 right here. Right now you guys can play around with the input format setting, color space setting, or video range setting. I just left everything default. Okay, that's about it. Okay, now let's go to settings here, and let's go under stream tab here. Now let's put it this way: if you're planning on streaming on Twitch, okay, what you can do, basically pick the service Twitch, and then server just set to auto recommended, and make sure you get your stream key from your Twitch account. Simple as that. Same goes for YouTube, get your stream key from your YouTube account, and same goes for Facebook also. Now let's go to output real quick. Now you guys can see under output, I have output mode set to simple and video bitrate set to 35 kbps. Now whenever I'm making a talking head video or like a guide video and I'm live streaming, I set the video bitrate to around 3500. Now if I'm playing a game, okay, and I'm live streaming a game, then I make sure I set the bitrate to 4500, and that also depends on your upload speed. And if you are streaming and you are planning on recording same time, make sure you set the recording format to MP4. Now let's look at the video tab right here. So you guys can see we have our base resolution and the output resolution set to a same 1080p. You need to do that if you're planning on, let's put it this way, live streaming 1080p, because by default under the video setting you will see, let's put it this way, base 1080p and then output is 720p. You want to set both of these resolution to same, and make sure also your common FPS value is same. If you're playing a 60 FPS game, make sure you set your common FPS value to 60 also. So currently I'm recording with my Panasonic Lumix G7, resolution set to 1080p 30. So I want to make sure here I have my base resolution set to 1080p and output resolution set to 1080p, and also my common FPS value set to 30. And that's about it, guys. Simple as that. And